Guys, we're in 61B.
How am I supposed to build it? I don't know, where is it?
We're playing a Gundam.
Where is it? We're in the secret part.
Denise, ano na? Go yourself.
Again.
Which one?
Where is it?
Huwag ka magpanik.
B.
Okay lang yan. 100. 1 to 100 is simpler. If there are less parts.
Hello.
See.
Gusto mo ba daw magkakan? May naisip si Lesh sa TikTok.
Nakita sa TikTok. Pero hindi ko naman siya gagamitin. So, kung cycle siya ko gamit pag nag-ano siya. Nagba-badminton siya. Open mo lang maayos.
Teka.
Careful.
Mas madali yan.
Okay, that's how you hold your scissors. Hold it down.
Pagasan mo kwet mo.
We're building a robot.
A Gundam.
It's called a
Gundam.
Okay, so I'll teach you one. I'm teaching you one so you can build it yourself. So this is what they call it. This is what they call it. Use this to knit the parts out. Okay, so you look for this is A. This is 2. This is 3. So yan, 3. Huwag mo yun. Tapos, ay, diba? Saan yung 32? Wait. 31. So, 32 ba? Here, yan. Okay, so those are the 2 parts that we need. Okay, I'll show you what when you cut, you don't cut at the very end, not very close. So that will farther nila. Yes. Okay, you cut it far from the and then once you get it out, you use the flat part. Trim the bottom.
The parts that are remaining.
Yeah. Yung ano lang. You see them. The
It's kind of
connected.
like what we do
The
with,
connected parts.
it's kind of like what we do with fingers. Sometimes you make something with fingers. Do you take up the
You get to do it sa 832. Be very, very careful kasi once masira ito, wala na tayong replacement. Oh, how did Bobby say it? Ayan.
You move them, Tommy is watching you on the screen.
It has to be away from the part. Yes, baby. You want to watch us? What do you want to build? So those are parts to the robot.
You have to try to...
I'll show you why you follow. Kasi we were together, we were trying to put now, what Go'i likes to do para mas maganda siya is I like to file it. I file it para it's tama na. Don't do too much kasi ito din. So, diba? Oh, ito. If you want to look smooth, yes baby, you do that. So I use these are the files. It's really for that. Okay. So ayan lang, para smooth. With the other one? No. Use this. Kasi the other ones,
Wait.
there are different roughness. So if it's too rough, ito, you don't need that. That's enough. Kasi that one's outside. Ito lang kasi this one's outside. Do we get over these? Yeah. Wait lang. It's just looking. I just want to look. It's okay.
I cannot see the alphabet.
So the alphabet is here. It's in Japanese. Kasi A, and then there's numbers. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look for it. Okay, ma? Okay, so which one is? Oh, this is A3, diba? This is A3. So ganon. Okay, and then A2. Pag ganyan, this one,
Slippers.
I think it's like this. Ayan.
Hi, Gong Gong. Hi, Gong
So
Gong.
there. That's your first kiss. So loud. Oh, so loud daw. When we have 17.
What's the number?
Huh? Saan yung 7? Is it A? A ba nakalagay? Is it A? Oh, so is that? This is you have to look at the number. 17. Oh. This is 17, right? Kasi may numbers. May numbers yung frame.
This is 17. This is 17.
Yeah.
Look at the number.
Yan, B, C, 17, and 19. So, only got one, only got one. Cut two. See, you need more parts.
Got it.
Here. Look, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. You have to wait. After we build this, you'll see a robot. It will look like this.
Where are the pieces?
This one, these are the pieces. So we have to cut it. Yeah, Aya is cutting it. Okay. Throw
Wow,
this.
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Yeah, who's that? Who's that? Is that you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Iron Man.
You like Iron Man?
Spider-Man.
He's Spider-Man. And Captain America.
No, that one.
Yeah. You wanna play?
I'm almost. I have to
You're almost done?
No, it's one is 17, the other is 13. Okay. This one. Oh. You have to cut both. So it says times. It says here times 2. So you have to cut it. You have to do it twice. Why is there number? Because those are parts. And then I have it is building them. So he needs to see the number so he knows what he needs to do.
I'm done.
I'll just cut this in.
You're done?
Yeah.
What do you wanna do?
Yes.
Do you wanna play Iron Man?
Huh? This is 2. Very small lang.
Why is it so small?
Because you just need it to show you. Yeah. You just need it to show you which numbers.
Look. I'll just show you something really awesome. Look.
Wow, it's an Iron Man. So friends na tayo today.
Okay.
Uy, friends na kami ni Kaden today. Kinakausap na niya ako.
Naka-record ka? Recorded live. Kumusta, Kifi? Enjoy? Yeah. Build that Gundam and we'll give you a bigger Gundam in the future.
Hoy, huwag kang magpa-proud. Ikaw magbibigay, ah. Pag ready na siya sa bigger.
I turned it to Iron Man.
Ito na. The Iron Man 17 pa. 17. Oh. The 17 is almost done. Yes. Is that yours?
Yeah, I turned it to Iron Man.
You turned into Iron Man.
For no reason.
For no reason.
This is the extra part. This is an extra part. Iron Man for no reason. I need to do
Where's the other part? Here. You have to follow mo. So, one over here. Is it like this? Baliktad. It should look like this. Don't touch, don't touch. It might hurt you. That's called a nipper. It's called a nipper. So it's what we use to cut the pieces out of the frames. So that, from here, it looks like this na. When you lower that down, so you put it together. Does it? You cut it like this. Follow the. What does it look like? So one on this side. That's how the part looks like. Nakaganyan. So it says one on this side, so that's this one, and another on this side, so that's this one. Like this. Yeah. We follow lang how it's supposed to look like. Yan. Bored ka na?
Naboard na siya. Naboard na siya sa gagagawa ng dalawa na.
Maybe guys.
Okay. Yan.
Wow.
Good. This is E. No, not. This is A. A. Love you. Bye, cousin. 19.
Distracted.
Baliktad, baliktad. Yan. I have to do it like this. Sige. Baka kasi masira ko. This way, this way. Because it might get broken this way. Kasi keep it there sa... you look at lock. Go iba siya. Relax lang. This is your hand. This is the part. Ganun lang. Kasi I'll show you what you do. You do like this. So it's hard. Ganun lang. Okay? Then, trim mo muna. Can I try this? You don't need that. Do you need that? Oh, you need it. 20. Okay, sige. Go. Why does that say times? No, it says A19, A20, and A33. Okay, good. Okay. Cut. Yan. Like this? Yes. Okay. And then you trim. Trim yung lips. Now, remember when you're trimming the flat part. Like
That exploded. It's like this big red part for the chest. I'm gonna do a flat part also on this one, so I don't damage it when I'm cutting it. I do it like this. Good night, baby Jay. That's German's nickname.
Yeah. My nickname is Big J.
Oh.
Sa project natin.
Ayan, nag-enjoy naman yata
Hindi
siya.
ka nagsasalita. You have to explain. You have to explain.
You don't need. You don't need.
Kailangan niya mag-concentrate.
I cannot see.
Ibig properly kita. Para malinis.
Si Daddy yung ano. Si Daddy ang QA. Bisor.
Yay!
Kung hindi, tatapon yan sa bintana.
Hey, don't throw it out of the ventana.
This is his first Gundam that he built on his own. Building that he's building. Ay, Tagalog daw.
No.
Ay, Kabana.
No.
Tagalog.
No. No.
Ay, oh, sige.
No way.
Filipino version. Okay,
No.
no English challenge.
Sabi niya, I will build quietly.
Quiet na nga siya ngayon eh.
I will think.
Dali. Ano?
No. Skibidi boom 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 is yes. Skibidi WWE.
That's a file.
Wait, can I try the
Not yet. I-fix.
Ate, kada ano sa
Nasaan yung isang file ko? I have 3. No. Diba tatlo to? I was using it kanina.
Where's the
No, this is the
chest plate?
white.
Where's the chest plate?
No, it's on the hand.
Chest plate.
I can't find it. Kimi, this is the file. Which color? No. Like this one, but the red yung gano'n. Huh? Nasaan yung dalawang Anyway, sige. Do it na lang. You can sit here, Kyler. Para you watch us. Or something. Ay? Oh, wait. Wait. Ah, sige. Go. Tapos meron kang sticker over here. Careful ka dyan ah, Kyler. Baka...
Wait, how do you connect this? How do I do this one? I don't know how to connect our part of it.
Wala pa yung head. We're still building the chest pa lang. So, yan.
It's supposed to be full in. I don't know how to make it full in.
Most probably kasi may nib na natira.
How does and then?
Yung part na yung cut out, ayan o, this one o.
Okay, that we can see your head.
May nib na. Okay, help me look for the nail file, but red yung middle. Let's go, please. Here. Oh, talaga. Ito, oh. Nandyan sa kanya.
What is this?
I don't know, you see. Si Go Imo Uzi kapag nagpa-play, nagpa-gundam. Ang Tosyon, pakita mo nga yung ginawa natin. Yung clear. Gusto ko kasi, pag Pilipino daw, gusto ko kasi, ano,
Kita.
so, Kipi, let me explain to you. Yung red, yun yung pinaka-rough. Ito, mid. So, I use three different grips. Okay.
You're playing something else?
Yan, para smooth din siya. Okay? Tapos, nakalagay dito.
Keep this. Look.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Goi built that. Look, oh. From this, oh. The body. Thus it became like that. You know?
After body,
Yeah, because eventually it became this. The whole Gundam.
how did
So you have to be very careful, very careful. Saka you have to pay attention. Tignan mo. Here, it says there's a sticker. So you have to put the sticker. Nadidistract ko pa kay Shotty.
no, not that much. I asked him to do it.
Look at the volume down, bro. Say it nicely to Shotty kasi.
Don't please.
Kipi, baliktad. You put it baliktad. Oh. The 20 pag ganon.
It's on the left.
Oh, nasa na yung 19? The 19 is on the right. Kanina you were trying to put it here.
No, one day there's not like that.
That's why you have to pay attention to the details. Hindi ko diba Ayan o, look o. It's coming together na.
Oh, we're gonna make the head now.
Not yet. Oh, sige, yeah, the head. Oh, go. This is the chest. Ayan, may chest na kami. Oh,
Wow, bilis ah.
bilis ba?
You're recorded. Remember.
Oh, you wanna help Anya? Ditsi. Na may editor ka naman eh. May conversation dito na naririnig ang mic. Fun fact, it's about underwear.
Hey! Interruption! Interruptions! Technical difficulties!
Sabi ni Cory yung cutting. Kasi if you cut it, ayan o, it's gonna be hard for you to remove the lip.
You have to be patient, keeping.
Oh. You know, hindi ko I keep misplacing the thickest grit.
Ha?
Hindi, wala. Parang I keep misplacing the thickest grit na ano.
Eto, either.
The roughest grit pala.
Wala ba? Nawawala?
No, I just keep misplacing it. I find it naman eventually. It's just that...
Layo. Nawawala lang.
Parang tumbling ako.
Is it okay if I use the lighter?
No. You have to use this if you want to. The lightest is for the fun. Not too much. Kasi hindi mo siya ma-pupulin. Look only for the grit, like this part. So this is 44, 43, ano pa?
A22.
Look for 22. Oy, may narinig akong angpaw. Sigo, iba may angpaw.
Which one am I supposed to cut? The ganyan.
Baliktad. Okay, yeah. The flat side away from the part. Okay, ayan.
Yeah, it's a gloss.
And this is gonna be a sticker then.
Yeah.
It's like the eye sticker.
Ay po!
Anong sasabihin mo?
Don't say you're interrupting our conversation.
You want to put the sticker on your own? You want to put the sticker on your own?
Si Lish, binili niya para kay Kitty.
Kaya mo? Sige.
Ano yan eh? Yan yung 10 years old gift. 10-year-old gift. Birthday gift.
Pero napaaga ng 1.
So right now you're vlogging?
Oo, gusto niya. Oo, ayan o.
Naka-timelapse ba yan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Hindi.
Or video.
Video.
Hindi kita si Kipi. Mukha lang ni Jordy.
Baba, Kipi, go down.
Hindi baba ka daw.
Yan.
So, ay sa Dichi.
What?
Kanina ka pa nagbe-video, hindi pala kita si Kipi.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
Is there supposed to be something here? Or no?
Yeah, dito yan eh. Uy, didikit mo dyan mamaya.
Wait a minute. Oh, I thought I did something wrong. It's, oh, sorry.
I cut this na.
Ba't mo siya
36.
pinafile?
223.
Yung Gundam.
Para mawala yung nib. Tsaka para mas
Kasi pag
siya.
kinat mo, syempre hindi siya maganda pagka kailangan mo ayusin.
First time ko nakita.
23.
Masaya siya.
Where's 23?
Ano siya, very
Where's
therapeutic.
here?
If you have the space. Like, pag may hindi ka dapat, iwan mo lang dyan.
Bakit sa inyo ba? May chance na.
Kasi,
Ano may aso ganun.
yeah, may gagala.
Bumili kami ng case. So, may case kami. Actually, pang ano siya, yun, originally pang bags yun. Pero ang nilalagay namin ganda.
May paitan agad.
Ilang Gundam na meron?
Isa pa lang. Pipigil ako eh.
Oh. Ay, siya. Forgot ako kayong case.
Ha?
Ay, wala ako picture ng case. Basta yung case. Ganun ako. So, yung Gundam ganun kataas.
Is it like this?
So,
More to come.
Like this?
pag mag-Japan, mura eh.
Doon kami
Dito kasi
bumili.
times 2 the price.
Meron akong gustong bilhin, yung may ilaw. As in, Gundam siya, tapos may ilaw siya. Umiilaw siya. Yun talaga yung target ko. Okay ka na?
Wow, may ulo na.
Ano? Ito ba yun?
How long yung bago tapos yung isang Gundam?
Depende. Ito kasi HG, mas konti yung parts. Mas maliit.
Easier
Yung
to.
pinili namin is MG Master Grade. Ito, ano lang siya.
The head is on.
Mas more pang perfect ginang na mas ganun kalaki.
Mas matagal yun.
Mas matagal. Nung ginagawa ni Lish at ako, yung Master Grade, siguro mga few days on-off. Ano lang, every few hours din.
Ano nga yun? Pangalan ko na, de-stress.
Oo. Masaya siya pang distress.
Paggabi, wala ka ginawa.
Oo. Pero kailangan talaga may attention ka sa detail.
Or else hindi siya ganun kalinis. Sino siya, hindi dates.
Ako yung maarte sa amin dalawa.
Pagkataan.
Paano pag na-build mo na, tatanggalin niya?
Hindi
Depende
naman.
naman.
Hindi naman.
May times na
Mali yung pagkapasok.
mali or ano. May mali ako, may mali siya. Adjust. Yung instructions kasi walang English. Japanese siya. Tapos, yung instruction is parang arrow-arrow lang. So, hindi ka sure kung how exact. So, may iba doon vague.
Ayun na. You can put...
Wow!
Ayan na. May ulo ka na at may katawan ka na. Ayan na.
Pakita mo sa camera. Kita ba?
Kita. Pwede mo pa ilapit.
Ah.
Yan.
May mga director tayo dito.
Direct Ira.
Storage low. Tap to manage.
Ay,
Ay, storage low ka
Storage
na.
low.
It's not.
Delete mo na.
Where's it?
36 minutes.
Where's C? Oh,
May nag-pop up. So, ano na? Tapos sa bahay, di
this
ba?
one's
Hindi mo
Tayo pa.
talaga.
Number 3 pa lang kami, oh.
Kaya sabi ko, even sa ginag, ibang kami kung parang ikang ginakong pag magkakaisi na siya sa akin.